What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. I got a really crazy experiment for you today, and this could go very, very good or very, very bad. We're going to make the ultimate Rustoleum lime green candy. Now, how are we going to do it? Well, let me show you. Now, I've done tons of episodes on this channel with different candy experiments and stuff like that, but I've never used this product. This is Minwax. It's actually over in the cabinet section at Lowe's. It's a clear polyurethane clear coat, but in pretty much an already mixed premium oil-based format. And I've got Rustoleum metallic here today, a really cool cobalt blue type color, and I've got Limelight candy yellow of all things. And when you put candy yellow over top of the blue, it will make a really cool lime green looking candy. But I'll be doing it today in this fast drying polyurethane clear because I want to see how this stuff works. I've heard very good things from other subscribers about using it and saying it works well. So that's the experiment for today. I've got a fender ready to go over there. So we're going to shoot it with some of this metallic Rustoleum, and then we'll mix some candy gold in this polyurethane clear and create a really cool lime green candy paint job. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so now we got our fender based in this really cool Rustoleum metallic blue. This is actually metallic cobalt blue, so there's the little code if you guys are interested in this. It does take a little bit to cover, but still a very, very pretty blue color. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Alright guys, so now we're dealing with this fast drying polyurethane clear, this Minwax stuff. Now, it says do not thin, and it says do not shake. So, but it does say you can shoot it through a paint gun. So let's check this stuff out. Let's see if it's clear. That's going to be the first step. Yeah, it does look kind of clear. Let's pour it out in a container. I don't know how much we're going to need. Ooh, never mind. Okay, this is a little coffee colored, guys. So I ain't too sure about this. This is very close to, say, a binder, like a fast dry automotive paint binder. A little milky on the kind of the look of it. I don't know, but I'm gonna roll with it just for test purposes. We're all about trying new stuff on this channel and seeing what works and what don't. This is Limelight Candy Gold, and what it is just a translucent gold liquid that gives everything a tint when you shoot it over top. So it gives it a pretty much a lollipop candy effect. And when I open this up, guys, you'll see that's the candy gold. So as far as how much I'm putting in this today, let me see. We are currently at 11 ounces. So I'm going to take this up to the 12 ounce. And like I said, this is don't thin. So that's 1 ounce of candy, guys, for 12 ounces total. 11 ounces of the Minwax, 1 ounce of candy. And let me stir this up real good. And you'll probably see the candy effect come alive, but probably not as much as you would in a crystal clear coat. So ooh, that is not working. Once again, we have candy failure, guys. Look what it's doing. It is not mixing. It is not playing nice. So this is another absolute fail, unfortunately. Man. Alright. Well, so much for that. So I don't know if you guys saw our episode the other day where I tried to mix candy in Rustoleum chrome, but this did pretty much the same thing as that did. It gummed up and turned into like a jelly. So this is a no-go. So we're going to have to do the candy stuff the traditional way. Well, I guess the old school poor man's traditional way in clear coat. So that's what I'm going to do next. I got some O-line clear. We're going to mix up some yellow candy in that. And yeah, let's make a really cool lime green candy paint job. Alright guys, so this is the Pro Finish Clear. I've been using this on a couple past episodes, and we'll be doing pretty much the same thing I just did with that. I'm going to do 11 ounces of the clear, we'll do 1 ounce of the candy, and we'll mix it up real good. We'll take it, we'll shoot it over that blue, and see if we can't create something really cool. So let's get into it. got my Intercraft D1 drizzle paint gun here today. We got it loaded up with some of this really cool gold candy. We're going to shoot it over top of this blue metallic Rustoleum and create a really cool lime green candy paint job. This has got a 1.3 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. This has been tacking up for about 10 minutes now, so it should be really good to go for a little bit of a top coat. And then we'll just do light, consistent coats till we get full coverage. And then the fun part, we'll take out the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so this is what you call a pretty candy green color. Man, with that Rustoleum cobalt blue, you get a deep, rich effect. That O-line clear with the candy laid out very, very nice. Now remember, this fender has been stripped back, so I don't have a bunch of coats on it, so the finish is much better than some of the other fenders. And that's why I always tell you guys, I'm just doing test fenders. As far as layout sometimes of products, well, it kind of depends on how much clear and how many other projects I've done on a fender, but really, really good layout today. Very cool color. What do you guys think? Well guys, this is a pretty wicked looking green today. I'm calling this Wicked Woods Candy Green. We started with a Rustoleum cobalt blue in a spray can and then shot 2 coats of gold candy and O-line clear, and man, it laid out beautifully. It turned out really, really cool. It's a very rich looking green. I was thinking we'd probably get more of a lime green. We got a little bit deeper, richer green, but man, nonetheless, a very cool color. But you know what? It ain't up to me. As far as everything goes today with the Minwax, sometimes you have successes, sometimes you have failures. That's why it's always important just go outside the box, try new things, see what works and what don't. With the Minwax, you know, it's kind of like when I decanted the chrome Rustoleum paint. It gummed up with the candy, it didn't play nice, and I'm sure you could take that Minwax, shoot pearls and stuff like that in it and be fine. And we'll try that on some future episodes because we're going to play around with that, because we're all about experimenting on this channel, seeing what works, what don't. That way we can learn together and save some money in the process. This is a much cheaper way of doing the candy paint job that I did today, you know, than some of the other high-end stuff. But you know what? It's not up to me, guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. Let me know what you think of this color and all the other stuff I did today. I always appreciate your comments and everything. And good or bad, I enjoy seeing what you guys think because that's the whole point of the channel. And if you made it this far in the video, you like these crazy experiments, the product reviews, the paint jobs, a little bit of everything I do on the channel, then take a second, if you haven't already, subscribe to Whitley Auto Works. Hit that little bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops because we're all the time doing crazy experiments like this, trying new things, and just seeing what we can do on the cheap to make something really cool in the custom world of painting. But I appreciate you tremendously for watching today. If you were interested in anything you saw in this video, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff's in my Amazon store. Link below, Ask Them on YouTube. You click that, it'll take you to my Amazon store. You can pick up everything there for the same price I get it for, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. I had a lot of fun today trying this out. I think it's a very cool color. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.